Hello everybody, welcome to Let's Practice Together LPT, and in today's video I'm gonna start Adobe Illustrator because I thought that Photoshop is too difficult for students. So I started Adobe Illustrator because of some graphics, and working on Photoshop will be far way easier for you to when you understand first of all Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Alright, so when you are on your Illustrator, you will see this kind of interface of Adobe Illustrator. You can also compare it with landing pages and websites. If you open Illustrator, it will open up this whole image, or no, this soft interface mainly. So how do you create a document? If you see over here, there are a lot of pre-made standard size which we use in our daily life. Not daily life mainly, that's their daily life. It can also be compared with that. Alright, these are pre-made presets available by Illustrator or Adobe. So you can also click and it will open that standard file in this type of format. Not in this type of interface will open up. You can see this old artboard. In Photoshop we said canvas, but this is artboard. Okay, so you can go back to your home page by clicking on this home icon next to Adobe Illustrator logo over here. So I'm gonna click on that one and it will take me to the main landing or home page of Adobe Illustrator. Now there are more, like in HDV and HDTV 1080p and iPhone X, Web Large, Postcards, A4, Custom Size. You can also click on this to open up the custom size, or even though from here. So I'm gonna click on Create New. And if you are looking for a shortcut key and if you are a hotkey user, you can also hit Control N on your keyboard to open the same panel. Panel or window. You can also say window. So in this panel, you will see some you will see recent, and you will, if you just look over them, and you will see the same presets which are available over here. Some are different. I'm not saying that all of these are same, but some are different and most of them are equal. So you can also see over here that A4, and there was 1280 by 800 pixels over here, and Web Large is available as well over here, and that's all, my friend. And you can also see some save preset. If you go, I will tell you about save later. Okay, if you go to mobile, you will see all the presets available in mobile. You can also say mobile mainly, and these are all standard sizes of phone. You can also go to web, and if you see here, there are all the web size document presets available. You can also go to print media like letter, legal, A4, tabloid, A3, B4, B5, all of these are available. And if you go to film and TV, we're making something for films and TV shows, so you will be going over this panel and then selecting these, or you can also go for custom. I will show you later how to do that. So if you go to art and illustration, which are mainly used for illustrators or the sketchers to sketch someone, but these are also preset given for them, and pretty good. Pretty good. And now I'm gonna go to recent again, and then I'm gonna show you all this panel. You know, we're over here. So first one is preset details. Now what is preset details? Oh, you know that. You're intelligent. Okay, preset detailed means the self-explanatory word that you can see over here. These are our presets available, and if you want to just type this is what the first line is, Untitled 2. Yeah, Untitled 2, because we have opened the first window. If I close and go to Illustrator, this will open up this. If I close this one, it will take me to the first landing page. I'm saying landing page. I'm gonna hit Control N. I'm a Hotkey user, so I was teaching you this. This is the name. For example, I'm gonna type in the first class. Oh no, I'm still too lazy. Okay, I'm gonna close that and Control N. I'm gonna name it I'm gonna again name it the first class. Okay, and we have just done that. Now, good. So the next one is height and width, mainly. First one is width and second one is height. Okay, you can just type in your desired width and height EDC and width and height EDC, and you can also give them the main the size in which you wanna do the measurement. So you can have pixels, points, picas, inches, feet, and feet and inches, yards, centimeters, millimeters, and meters. So mainly people use pixels because they are mainly used in digital drawing. So for example, I'm gonna type in the size of the YouTube or HD size in film and TV. You can also go over there and you can search. This is this HD V720. If you go to recent and then just select pixels, double clicking and type in 1280 by, and I'm gonna set the height to 800, and you know what is over. Now the next one is the orientation. If either you want to make a landscape or you want to make it just portrait. No, this is portrait and this is landscape mainly. So in this example, this is portrait and this is landscape. So mainly if you do that, they will invert the width and height with each other. And if you would take the landscape mode, it will simply again change the values of width and height, or interchange them mainly. So I'm gonna choose the orientation to this landscape and bleed. I don't want to just give you examples of this because this is advanced only. So I will teach you later. Don't worry, I will teach you these later. So the next one is the color mode. So mainly there are two main color modes inside Adobe Illustrator. These are RGB and CMYK. So RGB stands for red, green, and blue. Okay? And CMYK color stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Okay. The next one is the raster effect. The raster effects, pixels. This is measured in pixels per inch. We can export or make that 300 pixels per second. This will be very, very, very high quality. And if we do some medium, it will be 150 ppi, meaning is pixels per inch. It will be somehow not good than high. And if we go to screen, this is totally down. Yeah, totally down. I'm saying that it's totally down. Screen is most down, and no, it's down, and 36 ppi is most down. So this is high. I will be using high. So preview mode is on pixels. That's not the big deal. You can set it to default. Okay. So more settings. No, I'm gonna don't show you that because that's advanced mainly. Okay, so going towards the next option, not the next step. We are going to go to the next step, which is click on create. If you don't create it, you can't do anything. You can't start designing. So click on create, and it will open up this page. Now this page, this artboard. So now what was left over here? Yeah, what was left over here? I'm gonna hit Control N and create the same document and then name it again the second art mode. Okay, I have renamed it. Okay, no problem, bro. And I'm gonna so this is the name, and I'm gonna close. What if we want a lot of artboards on the same canvas? Okay, no problem. I'm gonna hit Control N and name that the second artboard, and I'm gonna just go for this artboard settings over here and increase the artboards. You can click this arrow to increase and this arrow to decrease. So if you want 10 artboards at a time, you will choose 10 and then click on create, and this will open up all these 10 artboards. And oh no, what I did. Okay, this all is about the artboard. There are 100 artboard options in Adobe Illustrator, and it is very famous about the artboard, because if you choose another software for this, it only gives you one artboard at a time. Okay, so don't worry, we're gonna go for the next option, which is the 100 or 20. Now 20 will be good. Okay, I'm gonna set it to 20. Oh no, 20 artboards. And if I click on create, it will create these 20 artboards with a ratio of 4:5. Now what I'm saying, this is not a good not a great deal. This will be 4 artboards on top, and on the width, on its width, on this whole box width, which is from here, and this and this. This was a square, full square, and in that ratio, it's in this rectangle. You can say its height has 5 boxes, and its width has 4 boxes. Not boxes. That's art mode. And you can also create 100 artboards at a time. And if I create 100, and it will open up these 100 boxes with the same ratio, but this time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. With 4 multiplied by 25, that's mainly 100. You know, I'm not good at maths, mainly. That was the thing which I want to show you. Okay, that's good. And we have now knew about how to creating a new document inside Adobe Illustrator. So, thank you and keep watching. Let's practice together. Thank you.